When it comes to your billfold, one wallet is as good as another, right? But then why is one wallet less than $10 while another is 10 times the price? Are you being ripped off if you buy an expensive wallet? Thomas with Real Men Real Style here, and in today's video, I'm going to compare cheap and expensive wallets. First, let's go over the materials. Cheap wallets will be made from faux leather, which is actually not even real leather, but rather a form of plastic. It looks okay, but it's never going to be as nice as real leather. Furthermore, as real leather ages, it will get character and look better with time, while faux leather will start to crack and flake off. But faux leather is very inexpensive, so that's why manufacturers are going to stick with it for cheap wallets. Now, a high quality wallet is going to use real leather, usually from a cow, pig, goat, or lamb. Cowhide is going to be the most durable, but it's going to be a little stiffer and require more time to break in, compared to a softer leather like lambskin. As well, you're going to see a difference in leather quality. Full grain is the outermost layer, so it keeps the natural grain of the hide and is the most durable part. For this reason, it's considered the best leather type and is the most expensive. Full grain is the thickest cut of leather, so it's going to require more time to break in. Next up is top grain leather, where the outermost layer is sanded away to remove blemishes. So it's thinner, lighter, and a little bit cheaper because they can use more of the hide, but it's also going to be less durable than full grain. Next up, let's talk about design. Expensive wallets are going to be made with the ergonomics in mind, so they'll hold exactly what you need without excess bulk. Your cheap wallets, let's just say they're not exactly going to be streamlined in the way they're built. And while it may seem appealing to have a wallet where you can fit everything and the kitchen sink, it's actually a really bad idea. Sitting on a massive wallet in your back pocket can mess up your posture and cause back pain, and it's going to be way too big if you want to put it in your front pocket. Take a lesson from George. Just don't do it.
Seriously guys, if your wallet looks like this, it is time for an upgrade. Now, if you're looking for a wallet, check these out. This one right here in Cognac is the Swanfield. It's a leather card wallet carried by today's sponsor, Carl Friedrich. Now, the build of this, as you can tell, is simple and elegant. It's a slim vertical bifold wallet that holds 7 cards and bills in the internal card slots, and it features an external pocket for your most frequently used cards. And notice the details on the stitching. They're using a continuous single filament thread. And the material this wallet's made from, we're talking high quality Italian vachetta leather that's characterized by its smooth surface and natural finish. Oh, and all of this made by hand in Portugal. And if that's not your style, check out the Walden. This is a classic vertical bifold wallet. What I love about this one is it stores your cards in an upright position, it reduces bulk, and it maximizes functionality. It's also got an internal bill compartment and nifty pull tab. Oh, and check out the customization. RMRS. Yes, this is mine. And that's what I love about something like this. You can add your initials to pretty much any product you grab over at Carl Friedrich. And look at the reviews. Look at what real people are saying about this company. They absolutely love them. They give you 100 days to try the product. If it's not up to your standards, you can return it. But guys, you're not going to, because everything they've ever sent me is second to none, amazing. And I've got a great deal for you. So use that link, go over to Carl Friedrich, take advantage of this deal. It's not going to be around forever. An awesome company. I'm proud to work with them, proud to support them. Go check them out.
Next, let's talk about construction quality. Cheap wallets are going to cut corners when it comes to build quality. From cheap thread to rushed production, it's going to fall apart quicker than a wallet that is well made. Here's a cheaper wallet I've been using for a few years. This one is made of leather, so the outside has aged nicely, but the quality of the stitching isn't great, and the lining on the inside is starting to come loose. Contrast that to this old billfold that belonged to my grandfather. I believe it was made back in the 1970s or 80s. It's decades old, but still looks amazing and isn't falling apart. Again, an expensive wallet is going to use a more robust thread and will be handcrafted by an artisan that pays attention to the small details. So when you buy a wallet, check to see if the stitching is even and uniform. See if the thread is thick and robust or thin and fragile. Is the lining of the wallet well attached and of good quality, or does it look like it's going to tear loose in a matter of weeks? Now, let's discuss brand. It is true, at a certain point, you're going to be paying for a brand name instead of quality. Comparing a $10 to $100 wallet, the quality difference is going to be significant. But the difference between a $100 and $1,000 wallet, at that point, you're mostly going to be paying for the brand name and status, not the quality. So at the end of the day, is cheap or expensive better when it comes to a wallet? Now, you may be thinking that you can buy several cheap wallets for the price of that expensive one. Why would you spend so much money up front for a more expensive wallet? But guys, just like a good pair of leather dress shoes, it's best to buy once, cry once. That well-made wallet will last you many years, look better over time, will be better designed, and it's going to be more comfortable in your pocket after it's broken in. Now, what about your dress shoes? What's the main difference between a cheap and expensive pair? Check out this video, guys, where we're going to go head to head with 3 pairs of shoes, so you can decide which one best fits your needs.